YouTuber, Kishipam Japan. Hi, so right now, I'm going to check all the clothes that I and my husband don't need it anymore. Like the socks, t-shirts, and this. So right now, as you can see, I'm going to clean our walk-in closet. It would be a really tough job, but I have to do it. So lots of things, lots of stuffs, and it's really a hard job for sure. And look at these bags all over the wall. Oh my god, I don't know where I'm going to start with all of this stuffs. So I think it's time to move on and check what should I, keep and throw. So, good luck to me.
A few moments later.
Lamig.
One eternity later. So right now, I'm going to clean my stock cabinet. It's actually my private closet. All the stuff inside, I called it anik-anik. I really need to clean it. So I will check what inside of this little cabinet. It is a 4 layers cabinet. I honestly tell you that some of the things inside of this cabinet, I can't recall it anymore. I almost forgot that I have this Cleverin Power Saver pen, a mobile sterilizer, bacteria, mold, and any unpleasant smell. This pen type 2 sticks that I forgot that I bought something before. Everything inside are very unorganized. So I'm going to start cleaning now. Please hold on with me. And everything are all scattered in the bed. Some perfumes that I kept for a long time. Yeah, it's time to organize. I put it inside a container. Then I bought the Shower Mate body wash from Korea. I also have this Pantene shampoo that I don't use for the meantime because I changed a brand of shampoo for falling hair. Then I have this Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion that I bought in Walmart. This Herbacin Camellia Skin Firming Body Lotion. I had this for a very long time, but I never use it. I had this also stock of Head and Shoulder shampoo for summer. Then there is also a Mary Kay Daily Moisturizing Face Cream that I also stopped in using for the meantime. Then I also have this stock of Beauty Laboo hair color. I love changing my hair colors from time to time. And this Black Pearl Protective Day Cream. I bought it in the store in Okada, Manila. It's kinda expensive, but it's a good product that I honestly recommend to everyone. I also have this Coach body lotion that I kept for a very long time. Actually, I have two. Then the other one is already emptied. I rarely use it because of the strong fragrance. Some perfumes like the YSL Baby Doll, Christian Dior, that I don't use that often. I also have this other lotion, a Nivea Skin Milk, that I'm using when I'm on travel. A Head and Shoulder White Charcoal Scalp Conditioner that I remember that I bought in the States. Of course, especially for the girls, you will not run out of stock of deodorant. I am more comfy of using a stick deo than spray or roll-on. Vitamin C and a box of my hyperthyroidism maintenance tablet and a Christian Dior perfume that I everyday use. Some of anik-anik that I kept in my cabinet. This clobetasol lotion that the dermatologist prescribed with me when I'm still suffering for a skin condition called KP or keratosis pilaris at the back of my arms. It's good thing that this skin condition does improve for a very long time now. I I also kept a peppermint cooling foot lotion from the Body Shop. And this tranexamic acid from Belly Lotion that I also tried to use with KP. I also kept a Japanese hair grower because I realized when I grow older, I'm suffering from hair thinning. Some toiletries that I get from the hotel. Since it's included with the payment of the hotel, I brought it home. And of course, for the girls, we will not forget a shaver for our auxiliary hair. I love this bile oil lotion, especially in winter when our skin are very rough and dry. One of my college friends who are based in Canada, she told me that she loves this liquid lotion too. I also keeping this iDish lightning flashlight for iPhone and iPads that my husband gave to me, so I can save all the pictures from my phone. I remember from my old iPhone, I lost some old good pictures because my phone were broken. I also bought an aloe vera soothing gel because I like to make a hand sanitizer. Here are the things that you needed and the steps how to make your own hand sanitizer. This body cream from Muji is a very good product too. It's very good to use on winter. Maybe you're wondering why I have so much kind of lotions. It is because here in Japan, there are 4 seasons. And because of a different weather here, the skins are hard to adjust. Most of the time, we really have a very bad skin. So I keep on trying different kinds of lotions that I ended up having different brands on my cabinet. So right now I'm on the second layer of the cabinet. And I'm going to fix it now. And put out all these things inside the cabinet. And I'm going to close now the first layer because it's already fixed. And now getting back to the second layer of the cabinet, and I'm going to clean it now. I put everything in the bed, and I'm going to check now all the stuffs that I take it out in the cabinet. So I still have my old shades that I'm using before. Some are the Guess and the Puzzles brand. I am not using it anymore, so I am planning to give it to my daughter. And I'm trying to fix it only with my one hand. And the next one is this Coach box. Let's open what's inside. I remember this L'Occitane soap that I brought back home when we stayed in a 5-star hotel in Hong Kong. It is included in the toiletries when you're staying in the hotel. I have also here some makeups and lipsticks that I never use it. Let's be honest, girls, that we do love shopping, especially those things that are not that expensive. It ended up being kept in the cabinet. It's really a good practice now to have a minimalist lifestyle, because sometimes we buy things that we really like, but actually sometimes the things that we really like is the things that we really don't need it. It ended up being kept in the cabinet. It's really a good practice now to have a minimalist lifestyle, because sometimes we buy things that we really like, but actually sometimes the things that we really like is the things that we really don't need it. Hi guys, thank you for watching. I think I need to end the video for now. I hope you still watch the part 2. Pilinggerang YouTuber, Kishipam, Japan.